Apparently, Jamaican batsmen and those across the region generally don't know the difference between 50 overs cricket and T20 cricket. Watching the Jamaica Scorpions spinning like gigs in a regional Super 50 is like a disease of burnlessness spreading across the region and spilling over into the West Indies team. It's like them feel T20 and ODI is one and the same. They are not. People talking about the T20 game change, but in T20 cricket, boundary hitting remains the most important skill. Recent West Indies teams identified as boundary hitting teams won 2 World Cup titles. 50 over cricket is different. 300 deliveries to face. That is like test match batting required. It's like the man them think all white ball cricket are swiping cricket. And it's like a daftness that is unique to West Indians. And because it's basically the same players who play T20 cricket that play 50 over cricket, so the player them look like them brain crisscross. so my simple maverick call to the regional batsmen is to bat normally in ODI cricket. And one swinging a bat in a T20 one.